Good day guys, this is Mike again from Josotech, and in this session we'll be looking at how to use the select by location tool in Qgis to actually extract some information from our vector data or vector shapefile. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, what we want to do is just like I said, to select features by location. So in this case, there are some cases that you might have different data and you want to actually extract or select some features that covers a particular boundary. So here we have some grids in Ikeja. Then this boundary is actually covering some part of the airport area. So what I want to do in this scenario is to extract or just select these grids that are found within the airport area. So how you can do that is to go to your vector under the research tool. You can click select by location. So when you click this tool, from this window that pops up, what you can do is you're actually selecting features. What features are you selecting? Grid. It's there already. Then look at this particular statement here. So do you want to actually select those grids that intersect the airport area, or that are within the airport area, that overlap the airport area or contain the airport area? So here the answer should be, what we have to select should be that are within the airport area. So I'm going to select this and we click on run. So guys, let's close this. When you click on, you can see that the areas that we're interested in have been selected. So what the algorithm did was just to, or what the algorithm did was just to select those grids that are found within the airport area. So but here you only selected the two. You might want to actually bring this into a new vector layer entirely. You want to save it or export into another vector layer entirely. So just need to do is, since this has been selected, your grid, so you can right click on that grid and get to me. Then come to export. So you can use save selected feature or still use save feature as. So here what you're going to do is, now under the encode you need save only selected features. So there are some grids I've selected, so here I'm going to save only selected what features. So I'm going to specify your file name. So let's assume set the airport grid, airport grid, save. So we maintain our datum. You can click on OK. So you can see this is the exported data that were actually extracted from the whole grid. So that's how you select data or vector layer by location. So guys, that's basically I use the select by location tool. So you can see from the training what we did, that we're able to select those areas covered by the airport in our Ikeja grid. So you can see that it is handy. So if you have any suggestion or any comment or questions, please use that in the chat, so I will make sure we attend to that. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative video. And if you have questions, please use the comment section. See you guys later. Thank you.